Hello, I've got the AUTO10 cold press juicer in the kitchen and I want to show you how to assemble the machine, make it easy for you at home. We've got the motor here, the base, okay? I've got it facing forward so you can see exactly how it's going to go together. I've got the cord at the back, facing the back, and the first item we want to put on is the bowl. Easiest way to understand, the spout that lets the juice out is at the front. It just locks straight into place, nice and simple. The next thing you want to put in is the rotation wipers. They just drop in, any position, no need to put it in a certain way. If we have a look on the top of the juicing bowl, if you can see that there is a little red dot, right? That red dot is where we're going to line things up once it's in place. So the juice strainer, it has a red dot on it too, right? That way we can just drop it in and those little red dots will line up on top of the juicer. See that one? That's how easy it is to know how to put together. Then we want the juicing screw, okay? That's got a little cutting blade which is at the top and the gear is at the bottom. Pop that into the center, just push it down and it'll sit nice and flat inside. It should be nice and flat and all locked into place. Now we've got the hopper. So the hopper has a nice big handle on it. It has, if you can see it here, it has a little arrow on the bottom of the hopper. That little arrow will line up on the side of the juicer. We have a unlocked and a locked position. So we want the arrow, when we put it on, to line up with the unlocked position. It'll sit and then, look, I just turn it and it's locked into place. All right, how easy is that? Then the lid is the last part. The lid has front and a back. We want to get that back over the little holder at the back and make sure it locks and clicks into place. And then we have our juice jugs and pulp jugs. I like to use the big one for collecting the juice and the little one for collecting the pulp. That's it for putting together the AUTO10 cold press juicer.